दिव्यांग विद्यार्थ्यांक खंयचीय शैक्षणिक संस्था इयत्ता 12वी मेरेन प्रवेश न्हयकारूंक शकना। अशें केल्यार दिव्यांगां खातीरच्या 216 कायद्या खाला दंडात्मक कारवाय जावंक शकता, अशी माहिती गोंय दिव्यांग संघटनेचे अध्यक्ष ॲल्विनो डिसा हाणें दिली। त्याच प्रमाण सगळ्या शिक्षण संस्थांनी दिव्यांग विद्यार्थ्यांक 5% आरक्षण दिवचे, तशेंच गरजेच्यो सोय सुविधा उपलब्ध करून दिवपाकूय तितले सक्तीचे, अशें ॲल्विनो डिसा हाणें सांगलें।
We would like to inform the schools and colleges that the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016 mandates that schools up to standard 12 cannot deny admission to students with disability cannot deny students with disability on the grounds of their disability. So we request all schools up to standard 12 to accept children with disability. Schools are also supposed to provide accessible barrier-free access to the students with disability. Colleges also have to provide barrier-free access and reasonable accommodation to students with disability up to standard 12. Professional colleges have to maintain a 5% reservation for students with disabilities as mandated under the Disabilities Act. Any school, any colleges not enforcing these guidelines under the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act will have to face penal action. We request parents to bring to our notice any instances where schools and colleges have denied admission to their students with disability on the grounds of disability, so that we can take it up with the State Disability Commissioner. Today there are many students with disability who have completed their education in the normal schools, normal colleges, and they have gone on to become professionals like doctors, engineers, lawyers, teachers, financial consultants. Okay, so if we do not give a chance to them in the regular schools and colleges, we are denying persons with disability from becoming professionals. Hence, we urge schools and colleges not to deny admission to students with disability on the grounds of their disability. In case they need any assistance in providing inclusive education, they are most welcome to contact us.